Morning. Now it's our third day in Perak. So we're gonna take off to Chicos. We're gonna leave by 5 AM because to be there it takes about 1.5 hours. So we're gonna meet our local hero nearby and the parents will follow her and we'll make way to Chicos. We're gonna take off in Sekolah Kebangsaan Chicos. So far, Alhamdulillah, the weather looks great. I've opened 3 apps, all different direction, but we'll see later. When we release the balloon. We'll see you there.
Lagi lain lagi. Saya tu.
Then we put the envelope inside.
Dalam sirawan cahaya membakas pandangan mata, namun jelas kulihat kamu.
Hi, I am Deviyah Daranee, Miss Earth Malaysia 2012. I am a model, MC, and I'm also doing my ACCA and working as a forensic accountant at the moment. So yeah, hey! Hi guys, good morning.
Wind is very calm today, so we released the helium balloon and it was heading that way. That way we're going to Bidor, but if we climb higher we will go to the west, which is Teluk Intan area. So inshallah it'll be a good flight. Weather looks good also. Can you see the orange sky? We're gonna chase that.
Apa yang ku fikirkan, inilah penyiksaan, biarpun beribu tahun. Dan namun kau sentiasa.
Sopek come in, Sopek.
Oh ya, Sopek tu.
Nice one.
Get the view.
Good morning. Guess where we are? We're 5,000 feet above ground. You can see small villages around and the low clouds. So beautiful, so calm. Even the temperature here is colder. You don't feel the burner heat. Yeah. And we're going about 25 km/h. It's quite strong wind up here, but you don't feel it at all. So we're going to climb a bit more, like another 10 minutes, and then we're going to start to descend and enjoy the villages down below.
We are below you now.
Awesome!
Actually, you guys going too fast, man.
Angin kencang membawa kau jauh ke sana, kau hilang terus tanpa kabar. Tidur malam.
We were just from 5,000 feet and it was absolutely beautiful, but a cloud is chasing us. If you can see there. Sorry. Those are like cray clouds that were like, okay, down now. But okay, if you see also on this side, there's a line of like a black, ugly yellowish line. Those are actually pollution line. It's like carbon monoxide and all the unwanted gas. So they kind of cover the atmosphere. So those are the one.
of the truck, so I can get a good footage for the video. So I hope it will be good. And it's very bumpy behind here. You see that's the other team behind me. Right. Now they're already land, and we're on the way to retrieve them. The route is very far. It probably take around 40 minutes to reach there. Alright.
Guess what? We landed right smack in the middle of palm oil plantation. So the wind just now, it was really fast. It was bringing us up to 25 miles per hour. Now we landed in Kuala Bikam. You can see it was a very, very soft landing. I would personally say the softest and longest attempt to land. And you can see this is the hill we had to go through, and there was no wind at all when we were on top. So it took us a bit of like a minute or two to just land here. So now it's starting to drizzle. We're waiting for our 4x4 crew team to come. So we're gonna try and pack the balloon a bit and then wait for them. Alhamdulillah, thank you.
Permata yang ada pada dirinya, meski dia hanyalah sekedar burung di dalam kaca. Ini hanyalah satu janda, tidakkah kau tahu, tidakkah kau tahu.
Hey guys, so this was my first experience on a hot air balloon and it was fantastic. The view was amazing. It's a once in a lifetime experience, and to actually get to see Perak with my own eyes, it was just spectacular. And the landing was an experience. I was just like crouching inside the basket while the pilot was just, you know, she was just tugging at the rope. It was amazing. The view, the sun, and then there was this random cloud coming, cumulonimbus thing. So that was chasing us, and yeah, it was scary, exciting, thrill. It was amazing.
Hi, sekarang kita orang dah land pukul 10. We landed I think 1.5 hours ago. The wind was strong, the retrieval trim was on point today. Cuma sebab kami travel jauh, it took them a bit of time to come back here to get to us. As you can see, jalan di sini memang gila, surrounded with kelapa sawit, and they still found us. Good job guys.
Thank you so much for having me here. It was such a spectacular experience. I just have no words to say. Okay, first of all, my favorite place in Perak has to be Ipoh because I'm from here. I've actually planted seedlings in a mangrove plantation, and it was amazing because you had to go knee deep in mud, and it was really nice. Guys, I actually saw a black line on the sky, and that was called a pollution or carbon monoxide line, and it was very scary. We are actually being towered by this line. So yeah, please, you know, be aware of what you're doing to the environment, and try to live more cautiously, and try to use your products, and everything starts at home. So yeah.
And for those of you who doesn't know, she is actually currently working in an accounting firm and sitting for her ACCA exam, which is not easy, people.
It is not
I
easy.
didn't finish. I have 3 more papers left, and you know, she's gonna soldier on and do this.
Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. And you know what? I actually forgot a small little point. One biggest thing about Ipoh that I remember is my high school years. Methodist Girls' School, and it's such a wonderful school. And you know, they've maintained their quality education all throughout the years. and they're turning 120 years this year, which is an amazing thing. I would like to shout out to all MGS girls out there and MGS teachers and the school. Happy 120 years. We've made it this far. Continue your legacy and continue doing what you guys are very, very good at. I know that MGS produces amazing girls. All of us are achievers when we graduate from MGS. So yeah, happy 120 years from your ex-student.
It's your flight certificate.
That is amazing.
Yes. We hope you keep it. Okay.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you for flying with us. We hope it was an adventure to remember. Hi, it's our third and last night in Ipoh. So our intern, Ezrin Balkis, she stays in Ipoh, so she decided to invite us for dinner. So now we're actually at her house. So nice of you, Balkis, and we have the mother preparing for our dinner now. Jom kita tengok apa yang ada. Let's go.
Yes? Hi, good morning. So this morning, Balkis just got a text from Mr. Peter, the CEO of the Haven resident, that he wanted to meet the entire team for breakfast.
Thank you, The Haven. We had such a great time here. Thank you for letting us stay for 3 nights. The location is superb. The rooms are very, very comfortable and spacious. We had the best view. Everyone that's coming to Ipoh, we suggest you should come to Best Western Haven. See you! Going to Kelantan now. See you there!